In 22 years, that was the best assembly we've ever had.
The show was amazing. Students and teachers were laughing right from the beginning.
Hello.
And we love the message of making good choices.
So I can make good choices too? Yes!
That was the most I've seen the kids laugh all year.
So you don't lie, do you?
No.
No.
The parents will love having the stories that they're going to come home with about being positive and making great choices.
Our kids loved the assembly. Marc Griffiths was very amazing. He customized the assembly to each grade band.
We can choose to be nice to everyone.
Teachers, the whole staff was very entertained.
That was amazing!
We can fill our buckets up every day.
Wow, that show was incredible.
I mean, wow.
Wow, 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 wow!
Positive message, super clearly delivered, really highly engaging.
I have not seen the kids laugh like that in so long.
I love this show!
I'd highly recommend Marc to any school who's trying to teach positive behaviors to students.
Oh, from another world! Another world! Terrific! Book a show then! I'm off for fish and chips.